Welcome back to all our children and parents. We are in Circuit Breaker 2, and as a principal of the school, I would like to reassure all our parents that our children have come back to school in a very, very safe environment. All the guidelines that have been prescribed by the regulators in Singapore have been not only met, but we've actually surpassed those expectations. Entry as well as dispersal has been staggered to make sure that we don't have groups of children coming into school or groups of children leaving the classrooms. So the moment the children arrive at campus and get off their bus, each child will line up accordingly and pass the thermal scanners so that we ensure that no child with a temperature is entering the classroom. We encourage children that they should be taking temperature at home and entering it in MyGIS, but teachers make sure that it is taken twice a day, one in the morning and one after lunch. As soon as they're in the classroom, they will then put on their face shields, and this way we ensure that they are completely safe in their classroom. In our primary classes, we have desk shields so that children are completely maintaining their social distance from their friends. For the senior children, we've gone with the guidelines that are given by the regulators, where we've put them in clusters and maintained the 1 meter social distance between the two clusters. And this is followed during their lunchtime at the canteen or even in the corridors. Right now, we do not have physical education or ECA or CCA where intermingling of classes may happen. We make sure that children have some kind of activities within the classroom. In addition to hand sanitizers being available in every classroom, we have also ensured that we have placed hand sanitizers in the canteen, in the library, in the labs, in all the open areas that children may visit. We're encouraging children to wash their hands and to regularly use the hand sanitizers that are available around the school. We are not encouraging parent meetings on campus. We are not encouraging any visitor coming to campus for any reason. We are using technology to make sure that all these needs are being met. So parents can talk to the teachers virtually in virtual meetings. The counselor can talk to parents virtually or counsel children virtually. Cleaning has been another area that there has been no compromise on. All high touch point areas where one would be visiting very often, computer labs, the keyboards, all the labs, the classroom desks, chairs, the stairways, the railings, and there is fixed schedule for cleaners to do it at least twice a day. While social distancing is being met, we can still see this entire community feeling of our academic team and our students all working together to make sure that learning has not stopped. So, dear parents, yes, we are in a difficult situation, but together we will overcome and we will surpass the situation that we are in today.